Hello student, good morning. I am Irsal Siddiqui. Today I am going to discuss the topic solid state and the subtopic is calculation of density of unit cell. Before I am going to discuss the calculation of density of unit cell, I am going to discuss some of the important points which is related to the previous lecture, that is previous video. According to Breves, there are 14 possible three-dimensional arrangement of a unit cell called Brevis lattice. Brevis showed from the geometrical consideration that there are only 7 shapes in which unit cell can exist. Brevis is a scientist showed from geometrical consideration that there are only 7 shapes in which unit cell can exist. That is, unit cell, the shape of unit cell is a 7 type. And there are 4 types of unit cell which I have already discussed, that is primitive unit cell, face-centered unit cell, body-centered unit cell and end-centered unit cell. Okay, in primitive unit cell number of atom per unit cell is equal to 1. In face-centered unit cell number of atom per unit cell is 4. In body-centered unit cell number of atom per unit cell is 2. Okay, so in primitive unit cell number of atom per unit cell is equal to 1, and in face centered number of atom per unit cell is 4, and in body centered number of atom per unit cell is 2, which I have already discussed. Okay, so according to Brevis, there are 14 possible arrangement, 14 possible three-dimensional arrangement, three-dimensional lattice called Brevis lattice. So 14 different types of arrangement of a unit cell, which is known as Brevis lattice or Brevis unit cell. With the help of unit cell, we can calculate the formula of a ionic compound. With the help of unit cell, we can calculate the formula of the compound. Number of atom per unit cell is denoted by Z. So I am going to discuss one question. A cubic solid is made up of, question number 1, a cubic solid is made up of two elements P and Q. Atoms of Q are at the corners of the cube, and P at the body center, What is the formula of the compound? Okay, so the question is, a cubic solid is made up of two elements P and Q. Atoms of Q are at the corner of the cube and atom P at the body center. What is the formula of the compound? So you are required to calculate number of atom per unit cell for P and number of atom per unit cell for Q. Okay, so this is a cube, that is atom P are at the corner. How many corner? That is 8 corner. So number of atom for P is equal to 1. 1 atom, because each atom at the corner share with 8 unit cell. So number of atom per unit cell for Q is equal to 1. Atom Q are at the body center. So for Q, Z is equal to 1. So the formula for P, Z is equal to 1. For Q, Z is equal to 1. So the formula is PQ. P1, Q1, that is PQ. Okay. So with the help of the calculation of number of atom per unit cell, we can find out the formula of the compound, because for P elements Z is equal to 1, for Q elements Z is equal to 1. So the formula is P1Qn, which is equal to PQ. Okay. So in this way we can calculate the formula of the compound. So I am going to discuss calculation of density of unit cell. How we can calculate the density of unit cell? Density is equal to mass of an atom, present in unit cell, and divided by volume of unit cell. So for the calculation of density of unit cell, that is, it is related to cubic crystal. Density of a cubic crystal, it is equal to mass of an atom present in unit cell and volume of unit cell. First, you have to calculate for cubic crystal, you have to calculate edge length with the help of X-ray diffraction. This is A and A, because in cubic crystal the edges are same, so length, width and height is equal to A. So volume of cube is equal to A into A, that is A cube, centimeter cube. A cube, centimeter cube. Next, we have to calculate mass of an atom present in a unit cell. Mass of unit cell, mass of unit cell is equal to number of atom per unit cell into mass of one atom. So number of atom per unit cell, it is denoted by Z, and mass of one atom is equal to, it is denoted by small m. So with the help of the formula, mass of one atom is equal to atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. So this is equation 1. So mass of one atom, that is small m, is equal to small m is equal to atomic mass divided by Na. So we can put the value of m, small m, in equation 1. We get mass of unit cell is equal to Z into m in Na. Okay. So mass of unit cell is equal to Z into atomic mass divided by Na. Okay. So with the density of unit cell is equal to mass of an atom and volume of unit cell. Mass of an atom Z into M divided by Na into AQ. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate density of a unit cell which is related to cubic crystal. So density is equal to Z, number of atom per unit cell, into atomic mass divided by Na, Avogadro number, into H length Q. Okay, so with the help of this particular formula, we can calculate the density of unit cell. I am going to discuss question which is related to density of unit cell. The question is, number of atoms in 100 gram of, question, calculate number of atoms in 100 gram of face centered cubic crystal, face centered cubic crystal with density 10 gram per centimeter, density 10 gram per centimeter cube, and edge length is 100 picometer. Okay, so you have to calculate the number of atoms in 100 gram of face centered cubic crystal with density 100 gram per centimeter cube and edge length is 100 picometer. So first you are required to write the value which is given. So density is equal to 10 gram per centimeter cube, edge length A is equal to 100 picometer is equal to 100 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, meter is equal to 100 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 100 centimeter, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Okay, so Z for face centered cubic, Z equal to 4. So these values are given in this particular question. So you are required to calculate the atomic mass. Okay, so you are required to write the formula density is equal to Z into M Na into AQ. Okay, so Z is density is equal to 10 is equal to Z is equal to 4 into M Na 6.022 into 10 power 23 AQ that is 100, we can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So 10 to the power minus 8 cube. So